What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you, what's good, guys? Hey, I really want to talk about, you know what it is, the Funnel X ROI system, guys, and why you should actually be taking a part of this system and why you should actually join today here, guys. This is a very powerful funnel itself. With this funnel, guys, you're able to actually earn from 5 different income streams. And with this video, pretty much I wanted to talk about some of the income streams and the success that people are having with this particular funnel itself. Now, if you're asking questions about does the funnel cost, no, the funnel does not cost. The funnel is a free funnel itself, okay? Now, what you do have to do is plug into the income streams that are in the back office of it. Now, you don't have to plug into all. However, I do suggest plugging into them so that way you don't miss any, excuse me, any commissions with this system. Guys, I've ran into countless times of people, talked to people many times, where they've joined programs and, they've gotten involved in things and the commissions were very low, or they had to join something and they had to get help. They'll say, well, hey, it's a complete done for you system, but it's really not. You have to put your own spin on it. Something like that, guys. With this system, you don't have to do that. You literally get help. They're literally walking you step by step by step through the funnel, and it's showing you how to literally do everything and plug into each income stream. Okay. Now, the first income stream is actually a system here that I've actually been involved in. Now, this income streams are involved. A lot of these income streams have been around for a while, so that way they're not new things where you're gonna be like, oh, I might not get paid because it's a new system. No, these companies have been around. They have a track record of paying. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing a lot of proof. I'm gonna show some proof here towards the end of this video, just so you can see that there are more people. I've actually showed video proof of me getting commissions in this system, but I wanted to kind of show you something of others that are what they're utilizing here. I mean, this system literally walks you through everything. Christmas is coming, holidays are approaching, and you want to be positioned now, literally, because once everyone starts spending money, they're not going to want to spend their money on a business. Now, what's going to happen is, it's the first of the year, people are going to have New Year's resolutions, and that's when they're going to say, you know what, I want to start a business, I want to make some extra money, my goal this year is to get out of debt. That's when you're going to want to be positioned or already have things in place. So when these people do start looking, you already got it all in place, guys. And this is truly a done-for-you system. Literally a done-for-you system. And my sponsor actually in this program, he's actually came upon $100,000 on the first income stream of this system here, guys. Literally $100K that he's made with the first income stream. And then he's on the leaderboards of the second income stream just because of this funnel. Literally, the funnel is free. You just need to plug into the income streams, okay? Now, with the first income stream, as I mentioned, I'm going to show some proof on this because the first income stream is the main income stream of the system. And this one, you're able to earn commission anywhere between $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. Now, in the second income stream, that's actually what we utilize is the autoresponder through that. So we're just utilizing the actual marketing and automation tools. Okay, this was going to pretty much automate this funnel here. So everything ties into each other, guys. If I've always told you, I like to promote things that all tie into each other. Okay, so I'm gonna break this all down for you guys. So what you might see here, so this is the third income stream, which is ClickMagick. ClickMagick, what it is that's going to pretty much be an actual a link tracking software where you can pretty much tell where a lot of your clicks are coming from, where you get most of your traffic from, what's converting. It's going to help you optimize on your numbers. So that's going to also give you a commission from there. All right. You're going to have another income stream. So this is income stream number 4. This is more of like a lead CPA type of income stream. So when you bring people into that particular funnel, then you're going to pretty much be able to earn commissions off of that as well. See, there's so much money that you're able to earn from that, guys. And then the final thing here, as far as the 5th income stream, as far as programs go, you have the ability to give away free vacation and dinner incentives, guys. Literally, you've seen me talk about these programs, most of these programs before, but now here I don't have to promote them separate. I can utilize one link and promote it. And if you're serious about the funnel, then you're going to plug into all those income streams, so that way you're going to be able to maximize all your income as well, so you don't lose any money. All right. So guys, here's the thing. I want to show you some more proof, you know, as far as people that are making some good money here. So this is my sponsor. This is Ontarian here. Okay. So pretty much here, here's one of his days where he said he had a $3,000 day. Man, that's some good money. He had a $2,000 payment, and then he had a $1,000 payment, right? Here's another one here. Someone, they made $100 on the team, $100. Here's my sponsor again, and this was actually today. $4,000 on the front end of this program here. The front end of this funnel. He's made $4 grand. You see that? $2,000 payments each. Okay, we got Brian here. Brian made $250 this week. He made $250, guys. Not within bringing in multiple people to make $250. This was just one payment, one sign up, $250. Okay. We got Pandora. All right, Pandora made a $500 commission. What's that? The 4th? That was yesterday. $500, guys. Could you use $500 in one payment? That's just one, guys. This is just the first income stream. This is not even the second income stream. There are people that are making so much money with this funnel, it's ridiculous. Okay? Let me go to this one. Let me close out of this one. Let's see here. Okay. Here's another person. Alright. So, she made $183 in 20 hours ago. $183. Would $183 a day help you? With $250 a day. $300. So that's why we literally say with this system, you're able to earn an additional you're able to earn $300+ a day with this funnel and with this system. So should you join Funnel X ROI? Yes, you should join it. Why? Because there's some good money. The programs are involved in it, or some that they're promoting inside of it, are some very good programs, guys. I mean, I'm literally showing you proof here as well on this system. This is one of the pages as well that you get to use. So guys, this is a nice page. You're able to show proof up front. Show, you know, the social proof that's going to show people that this is a real system. You know, how would you like to be able to do what I'm doing right now with my daughter and shooting a video, and you get commissions that come in? You're able to get leads that come in on your phone. Literally, while I'm making videos, we have leads that are coming in, guys, because we're able to run these systems on autopilot. We have this full marketing system to do this all on autopilot, okay? So if you're looking to make money, even if you're a newbie, this is what's going to allow you to make money, because we're going to show you in the back office what to do, how to send traffic to this link. You know, if you're using the link, we're going to show you how to send traffic to it. We're taking the guessing game out. And here's another thing. As an added bonus, when you join me, I'm going to give you my Facebook ads training. I'm going to give you my social media ads training as well. And also, guys, you kind of get some of this training in the back office when you get the system as well, and you plug in some of these income streams. So I definitely want to mention that. All right? So we're going to wrap this video up. I got me and my baby girl up in here today. She's eating her hands, guys. She's the big 4 months. She turned 4 months yesterday. Daddy's baby girl. Alright, so we out making money. We getting ready for Christmas, and she's my sidekick right now, man. So I look forward to helping you guys. I look forward to even welcoming you into our Facebook groups that we have for you. You know, we have support teams. We literally have groups that have teams that have, you know, training that everyone could be invited to. Guys, we're here to help you, okay? So I know it's Friday. Some people just got paid. It's time to go ahead and get your business going. All right. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until we speak again, or until the next video, which I will be shooting again. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.